What is superconductivity? Explain its important properties. Superconductivity is a phenomenon in which a material exhibits zero electrical resistance and perfect diamagnetism below a certain temperature called the critical temperature Tc. When cooled below Tc, the material allows current to flow without energy loss. One key property is the Meissner effect, where magnetic fields are completely expelled from the interior of the superconductor. Superconductors also have critical limits, such as critical temperature, critical magnetic field, and critical current. Above these limits, the material loses its superconducting behavior. Explain the Meissner effect. The Meissner effect is the complete expulsion of magnetic flux from a superconductor when it is cooled below its critical temperature in the presence of a magnetic field. This shows that superconductors are perfect diamagnets. When a material becomes superconducting, magnetic field lines are pushed out, making the magnetic field inside the material zero. This effect distinguishes superconductors from perfect conductors and is used in applications like magnetic levitation Maglev trains. Distinguish between type I and type II superconductors. Superconductors are classified into two types. Type I superconductors, these exhibit a sudden transition from superconducting to normal state at a critical magnetic field. They show complete Meissner effect and are usually pure metals like mercury and lead. Type II superconductors, these exhibit two critical fields lower and upper. Between these fields, they exist in a mixed state where magnetic flux partially penetrates. They are mostly alloys and compounds and are used in practical applications like MRI and superconducting magnets. What are the applications of superconductors? Superconductors have many advanced applications due to zero resistance and strong magnetic properties. They are used in MRI machines, Maglev trains, particle accelerators, and superconducting magnets. They also help in efficient power transmission, fault current limiters, and quantum computing. Their ability to carry large currents without loss makes them highly valuable in modern technology. What is dielectric constant? Explain polarization in dielectrics. The dielectric constant relative permittivity is the ratio of the permittivity of a material to the permittivity of free space. It indicates how much electric field is reduced inside a material. Polarization is the process by which electric dipoles are formed or aligned in a dielectric when an external electric field is applied. This reduces the effective electric field inside the material. Polarization is directly proportional to the applied electric field. Explain types of polarization in dielectrics. There are four main types of polarization. Electronic polarization, due to displacement of electron cloud relative to nucleus. Ionic polarization, due to relative displacement of positive and negative ions. Orientation polarization, due to alignment of permanent dipoles. Space charge polarization, due to accumulation of charges at interfaces. Each type depends on frequency and temperature, and all contribute to the overall polarization of a dielectric material. Explain dielectric breakdown and dielectric loss. Dielectric breakdown occurs when a dielectric material becomes conductive due to a high electric field. At high voltages, electrons gain enough energy to break bonds, causing sudden current flow and failure of insulation. Dielectric loss is the energy dissipated as heat in a dielectric when subjected to an alternating electric field. It occurs due to lag between polarization and applied field. It is important in designing capacitors and insulating materials.